Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Lightroom presets pack tools, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Lightroom preset packs, start by opening Lightroom on your computer. Navigate to the Develop module in the top right corner of the interface. On the left panel, locate the Presets section. Click on the small triangle to expand the presets list. Find the preset pack you wish to uninstall. Right-click on the preset pack's name. A context menu will appear. Select Delete from the menu. Confirm the deletion when prompted. If you're using a non-Adobe preset pack, locate the folder where the presets are stored. This folder is usually in a location like User Library Applications support Adobe Lightroom develop presets for Mac users. For Windows, it's commonly found in C:\users\left bracket your username right bracket /appdata /roaming /adobe /lightroom /develop white space presets. Open the appropriate folder. Select the preset pack folder you want to delete. Right-click and choose Delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion once again. After removing the presets, restart Lightroom to ensure changes take effect. Your presets will now be uninstalled and no longer appear in the Presets panel. If you need to reinstall presets in the future, you can do so using the same Presets section. That concludes the uninstall process for Lightroom preset packs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.